Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is the beginning of one of the big trips that I was talking about. Today we're starting out on Lake Simcoe right now, and we're going to make our way south. So as you can see, we're at the entrance into the first set of locks going south. So guys, let's try this. I'm not sure how many videos it's going to be. Probably going to take us a couple days to get down there. So this might be a multi-trip one, so I hope you'll stick around for it. I'll get you all the shots I can, and just guys enjoy it, because that's what I'm going to do. So let's get at it, let's get going, and yeah, that's all about it I got. So time to get into the locks. Well guys, we're into the first section here, and it's a 10K only section, and actually because the water level is up so high, they're asking to go even slower than that. So what are you gonna do? But yeah, so we're just gonna cruise up here. I can kind of see the first lock. Looks like they're doing some construction up ahead, so let's cruise on and see what we find. This is the first little bit's gonna be a bit boring, but in my propeller. Shit. Well guys, we're at the Kirk Field lift locks. A lot happened yesterday that you guys don't know about. At one point in the afternoon, I sucked up like a garbage bag or a plastic bag into my propeller, so we had to pull over. It took us about 4 hours, but we were able, thanks to the help of due diligence fishing, thank you sir, we were able to get all of the plastic out from the impeller. So we're still on the trip. That first day was a bit of a write-off, so hopefully what we'll do is we'll pick up here at Kirk Field at the lift locks here, and we're gonna start making our way back. Fingers crossed, everything's good. I got some pictures of what got stuck in the impeller. I'll put it in here just so you can see what we were dealing with. And other than that, it's just, we're gonna keep going forward. Well guys, we've made it to the top. We're all the way up at the top now. So we're gonna head that way towards Lake Ontario now. So let's see what happens. Guys, this is like a really slow section from Kirk Field all the way to the next lock. So it's just a 10-kilometer zone, nothing too exciting. So we'll check in when we get somewhere. Alright guys, so we just crossed that first major lake. We are very low on fuel, so we're just going to stop here and get some gas. And then you get cottages with a huge bulldog on the dock. Not bad. Alright guys, so we just got gas. We're all filled up, making our way, seeing what we can get up to. But again, we're in a slow section here, so... Oh boy, we're about to get to some open water, get to open it up again. Let's get going. These 10Ks are beautiful, but man, are they slow. Guys, so we made across that little bit of lake, I don't know, actually pretty quick. So we're actually now coming into our next lock, which is Fenelon Falls. So that's where we're going to get to next, so stick around for that. But first, here's a bridge. Wu-Tang. The North loves the Wu-Tang. Here we go. Welcome to Fenelon Falls, everyone. So the falls are there, the lock is here, so let's get going. Alright guys, we're in the lock, we're ready to go. We're just going to start dropping down, so we'll see you at the bottom. Hopefully. You can hear shit. There's Fenelon. For as much as you can see at Fenelon Falls. Whee!